Good morning, everyone. My name is Shweta Naik, and my topic name is Process of Selection. Selection. The employee selection process is a process of aligning men to a right job. It is the ability to match the company demands to people's skills and qualifications. Effective selections can only be made when there is an effective selection process. By selecting the most qualified candidates for a required position, the company will receive greater employee performance for future more absentees, the employees' turnovers will be less for the problems for the organizations by selecting a finest candidates for the job. The organizations will save times and money. Candidates are truly scrutinized during a selection process. Everyone who applies for a job is put through the examination before being hired. Steps of selection. First is application and screening. Applicants submit their applications, including resumes and cover letters. HR professionals or hiring managers uh, review the applications to identify candidates who meet the basic requirements for the job. Interview. Shortlisted candidates are invited for interviews, which can be conducted in various formats, including phone interview, video interview, and in and in-person interview. Interview allows hiring managers to assess candidates' skills, experience, and personality. Assessment. Various assessments such as aptitude test, personality test, and skill assessments may be used to evaluate candidates further. These assessments helps identify candidates who pass the necessary skills and attributes for the role. References and backgrounds check. References and backgrounds check are conducted to verify the information provided by the candidates and to ensure their sustainability for the position. These steps helps mitigates the risk of hiring unsuitable candidates. Fifth one is decision or offer. The hiring managers or team makes a decision on the best candidates based on the information gathered throughout the process. A job offer is made to the selected candidates, which includes detail about salary, benefits, and other terms of employment. Onboarding. A new hire is officially onboarding into the company, which involves completing necessary paperwork, receiving orientations, and getting acquainted with a team and culture. Example of process of selection. Process of selection refers to the strategic decisions of the selections which kinds of production process to have in the manufacturing plant. For example, in the case for the Honda Motors, example of process of selection. Process of selection refers to the strategic decisions of the selection which kinds of production process to have in the manufacturing plants. For example, in the case of the Honda Motors, if the volume of very low, we might must have workers manually assembles each motors by hand. Case study. XYZ Kids Solutions is facing challenges in their recruitment process, including delays hires, difficulty attracting top talent, and the lack of communications during the hiring process. Analysis. The case study will analyze the root causes of these problems, such as prolonged decision making, influence screening methods, and the lack of clear communications with candidates. Solution. The study could process solutions to address these issues, such as implementing a more streamlined decision making process, utilizing various sourcing channels, and improving communications throughout the hiring process. Expected outcomes. By implementing the proposed solutions, XYZ solutions can improve their hiring process, reduce time to hire, attract more qualified candidates, and ultimately improve their organizational performance. Thank you.